Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Beatrice and I wanted to take this opportunity to introduce myself. I like to crochet and I started a blanket for my mother-in-law, and then that's what drove me to start filming my journey, because I wondered and I thought about maybe there was some people out there in the crochet world who would enjoy watching me make this blanket. I like to make very unique blankets, and I enjoy the whimsical part of crocheting. So I started to make my mother-in-law this blanket, and it's very personalized to her, and it's not a very big blanket, but I'm going to show you today some of the appliques that I crocheted. And then as we go along in my journey of making this blanket, I'm going to be teaching you how to make each applique that I put, and I'll take you step by step onto how I created this personalized blanket for my mother-in-law so that you can make one for your family member or friend. So let me show you a little bit more about the blanket. So as you can see here, it's not a very big blanket. It's just a shawl, not a shawl, but a little afghan that maybe she can put on her lap or on a chair in her living room. Basically, my mother-in-law, what I did was I designed this one-of-a-kind blanket for her. It's what I call it is a mother's blanket, because she has 7 children. So what I did was I created the birds. I added some branches, and I added little birds to portray her children. And each one of her children has their name embroidered into the birds. And then I decided that since there were birds, I would create this cute little birdhouse, and I added some flowers. I monogrammed it with her name, and I just got this little cute charm, and it says Mama on it. Just attached it there. So when you are crocheting things that you like to do, it makes it fun, and it just makes it more enjoyable. So then as we go down the blanket, I also designed a peacock because I just love peacocks, and I decided that I would attach one to the blanket. So as you can see, here's the beginning of the top of our peacock right here. And I'm going to show you step by step about how I created this blanket, and I hope that you stick with me because I think it will be a lot of fun to watch, and I will be giving tutorials on each and every applique that I made. Just added I like to add a lot of elegant designs to it. Let's see if I can show you that elegant design. So as you can see, I'm going to be showing you how to make this blanket. And I hope that you join me in my next videos, and I hope that you have a good day.